The overall goal of this procedure is to accurately detect the citrus greening pathogen Candidatus liberibacter SPP in citrus leaf tissue.
This method allows citrus farmers and researchers to quickly and accurately identify the presence of pathogen responsible for causing citrus greening.
Demonstrating procedure will be Ian Palmer, a graduate student from my laboratory.
This method is efficient, cost-effective, and adaptable for quantitative analysis. Additionally, it may be performed with a minimum level of laboratory experience and equipment.
First, use clean scissors to cut a whole fresh leaf from a citrus tree and place in a clean plastic sandwich bag. Then, chill a mortar and pestle by adding small quantity of liquid nitrogen. Next, use the scissors to cut small pieces of the leaf tissue approximately 1 square inch in size. Place the leaf pieces in the mortar to freeze them immediately. Quickly start grinding the leaf tissue with the mortar till the liquid nitrogen evaporates and a fine green powder remains. Next, chill a metal spatula in liquid nitrogen for 10 to 15 seconds. Then, use the cold spatula to scoop the ground tissue from the mortar in a 1.5 milliliter microcentrifuge tube. Use a 1,000 microliter pipette to add 600 microliters of nuclei lysis solution to the sample.